Guys, got the TV in the Jeep. Gotta get the last bezel piece in.
Deep off in the main, Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
Hell yeah.
Play hide and seek. Jump inside, jump straight to the left. Take a sip.
TV in the Jeep. And then back here we got
busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, so let you out the chain.
back here we're doing the Kicker 751 and the Alpine.
This life I cannot change. Hit it, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. This life I cannot change. Hit it, deep off in the main.
10-inch squares in a split box. Fucking thing pounds. Jeep is about done. All the doors are audio bond. Got MTX tweeters in the dash. Got the 4-channel Alpine, the Kicker 751 monoblock, pushing the 210-inch MTX.
Oh please, oh me,
on these blue things.
oh my. We've been moving for some time. Alright. Flexing, try to exercise. This life I cannot change. Deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
There's my motor. You could eat off this fucker. Keep that shit clean. Get a little bit of flex for you.
Dropped off right now. What's up? BBS the real. Might steal your bitch. Yeah. BBS the real. Might steal your bitch. Ain't never been like this. Tone that shit down.
Pick a phone up. Big go gold does in the ring. Look like red flesh down when he pick his phone up. Everybody got a prize like that. Then what I
Yeah, buddy. She's done. Fuck yes. Now, pain in the ass was right here. I had to I'm making a bezel. This is what was in there. And I'm custom fitting this. And to buy that piece is $60 fucking. I'm making it. Fuck that. I'll spray it black on the back, peel the paper off, set it behind the mount, and then tighten the deck down, and it'll stay. That'll cover around the edges. Fucking waste my money on that shit. I can fucking make it. Why would I buy it if I can make it? Alright guys, I'm gonna straighten up here. I am done for the night. Peace.